Welcome to another video by School of RPA. And in today's video, we are going to compare two of my most favorite RPA tools, UiPath and Blue Prism. So in this video, we will go it this way. First is introduction of Blue Prism, then introduction of UiPath. Then we'll look at features of Blue Prism and pros and cons of Blue Prism. Then we'll look at features of UiPath, pros and cons of UiPath, and finally, we'll compare Blue Prism and UiPath feature by feature. Blue Prism introduction. In the year 2010, a group of experts in the field of process automation founded Blue Prism to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of a company. The technology that is used in this case is based on Microsoft .NET framework, and any type of platform and applications are supported by this. Blue Prism has a vision to provide a digital workforce for every enterprise. The company's purpose is to unleash the collaborative potential of humans operating in harmony with digital workforce. So every enterprise can exceed their business goals and drive meaningful growth with unmatched speed and agility. Fortune 500 and public sector organizations are among the customers of Blue Prism across 70 commercial sectors. And trust Blue Prism's enterprise-grade connected RPA platform, which has users in more than 170 countries. By strategically applying intelligent automation, these organizations are creating new opportunities and services while unlocking massive efficiencies that return millions of hours of work into their business. Let's look at features of Blue Prism. So Blue Prism is robust. It provides some of the best features like data encryption, load balancing, and auditing. It's very secure. A user can run n number of processes very securely and can do the automation very securely and accurately. Now, the tool can run 24/7 and no workforce is required to monitor it. Data management. Automation helps these tools to store data in data centers, which provides a defined way to abstract data and secure the whole process. And dashboard support. This RPA tool offers a dashboard so a user can quickly analyze data and monitor the process. Let us look at pros and cons of Blue Prism. So pros first. This tool can develop and control. So you can develop the process within Blue Prism and control it from the Blue Prism dashboard itself. Operational scalability is good with excellent execution speeds. It has a client-based server architecture. It is highly reliable and accurate. It has inbuilt image and text recognition, and it has tie-ups with the Google Tesseract also. The debugging capability of this tool is fantastic, and this tool can handle infinite processes at a time, given enough RAM and CPU space, of course. The cons. This is an expensive tool, and no free version is available. There is not much of a developer community or open forums around this tool. There is, but that not as big. A user cannot do advanced scheduling. A very simple scheduling is only available. Now, one of the biggest cons of Blue Prism is it supports only back office processes. So, unattended automation. There is no recorder that exists in this tool. This tool only supports app-based access. And a user will require some amount of training before they can start using this tool. Now, let us look at UiPath. UiPath designs and develops robotic process automation software. UiPath Enterprise RPA platform offers an easy-to-use automation design tool and supports on-premises and automated cloud deployment. The platform supports both attended and unattended robots and is known for high-scale, secure, and resilient operations. This company was started in year 2005 and was founded by Daniel Dines. In the year 2018, they raised $150 million in investment. It is really easy to manage automated business processes and virtual workforce with the help of UiPath. UiPath also has a wide range of productivity tools, and UiPath provides an extensible and standard that will give you a new level of automation, which is used for minimal cost of operations and also provides better care of usage of resources. Now, let us look at the features of UiPath. UiPath offers a good range of applications like desktop or web-based automations. A user can host UiPath RPA on a cloud as well as on virtual terminals. UiPath offers a dynamic library which helps users to drag and drop feature. This tool uses server-based licensing that uses a centralized server, which makes it easier to use. UiPath provides third-party integration. A user can use OCI technologies from various companies at an API level. And debugging. It also offers a powerful debugging which is flexible and intuitive. Okay, let's look at pros and cons of UiPath. Now in pros, this tool is expensive but free version is available. It has a huge developer-based community on open public forums. So if you have any issues, you can post it to community and they definitely help you out. A user can do advanced scheduling. It supports both back office and front office automation. Recorders are present in this tool for faster mapping of a process. Both mobile and app-based access is present. Image and text recognition is present. User interface is easy to use. And implementation development speed of tool is fast. Now, let us look at few of the cons. It has a web-based architecture. Reliability here is not so good. Operational scalability is average. And this tool can handle maximum of 10,000 processes. Let us do a feature-by-feature comparison of Blueprism and UiPath. So first, types of robots supported. Now, Blueprism features unattended robots only. UiPath features attended as well as unattended robots. Debugging. Blueprism has an easier debugging. Blueprism lets user interact with variables and scenarios dynamically to test and resolve issues. Now, while UiPath has a less effective debugging in the UiPath is more difficult and one cannot make changes during the debugging and execution. Exception handling. UiPath works on traditional try-catch activity. With Blueprism, resizable blocks can be used and altered easily to cover around the steps to use try-catch functionality. Readability of process. Blueprism has custom size, positioned, and color-coded process elements. In UiPath has a fixed size and limited positional activity elements. Deployments. Import, export of packages makes deployment way easier in Blueprism. Now, in case of UiPath, a process in Sudo can only relate to one orchestrator at a time. So you have to reconfigure to switch between staging and production, which is a bit of a hassle. Developer friendly. Now, if need be, Blueprism tool can be implemented by any business insider, but they do require some level of coding. Whereas with UiPath, any developer with basic coding knowledge can implement UiPath RPA solution. Implementation cost. Now, Blueprism offers a cost-effective pricing structure for RPA implementation, whereas UiPath could get a little too expensive for new age startups or business looking to automate processes on a budget. Process reliability. Blueprism takes the upper hand here since it offers visual elements and customization options. In UiPath, the process flow is fixed with no options for added customization. Development. With Blueprism RPA, development automation is a simple process. All you are required to do is create a new package and export it or import it accordingly. With UiPath RPA tool, the development is simple but requires you to connect to the assigned studio, trigger the process, and publish them inside the orchestrator. System integration. Blueprism offers excellent integration on both the server side and the client side, with added support for REST calls. Although UiPath, you need to support of the REST calls to start RPA processing in the system outside of the UiPath environment. Thank you for watching my video. This was the end of the video. And if you want to learn Blueprism or UiPath, we have courses on Blueprism, UiPath, Win Automation, WorkFusion. If you are a non-technical person, we have a RPA business analyst training as well. To enroll for our course, call us on 900-418-9189. We have online instructor-led training, so you can learn from anywhere in the world, wherever you are located. We have flexible timings. So if you are a working professional with a hectic schedule, you can schedule the classes according to your own timings that suits you best. And yes, we have placement assistance. So we help you with the placement. We prepare your resume for you and we prepare you for the interview as well. So guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you want to enroll for our courses, call us on the number given on the screen. Goodbye and have a nice day.